Hello and welcome to this introductory lectures of the Tic Tac Toe project, which will be implemented throughout this section. So by the end of this section, you will get the project like this, where you will be welcome to this Tic Tac Toe game, and the player will get the choice in order to just select either this cross or the O for the gameplay. So let me say I'll just choose this Yux for here. So let me say Yux, and after that you will get a chance to get your move. So basically the computer will go first, and this who will go first will be random, and basically you will play against the computer. So we'll make the AI for the computer to play, and next is our move. So let me say I want to just move in this 4, and if this I move over here, that means let me just go again here, and you can see in the 4th place, in this place we have now cross, which is us. So computer will automatically play, and basically this will be the perfect AI, and basically it will just advances its move basically on the base of our move. So next is our turn. So let me say I'll just move down here to 2, let me say 2, and basically in the 2, let me again put here 2, and the program has said that computer has beaten you, you lose. Basically the computer has successfully beaten us, and this is a perfect AI. So let me just play again here, just saying yes again. So let me say, do we want to play again? So let me just close this again and show you after I just save this again, and let me just play it down. So let me just select O again, and you could get a chance that the player will go first. That means we have a first move. So let me say here I just want to go in this 9th place, and if I am 9th place, that means O has been in this 9th place. And if I just go to this 8th place, let me say I'll just go in this let me say 8th place, then you can see that the computer is smart enough that it won't let us to win the game easily. So it has just put the cross in the place where we can just have our game successfully won. So this will be the implemented in the couple of lectures. So see you in the next.